Hello, hi. Um, this is a general message, a channel message. So whenever you see this, that's when this will resonate with you. If you want to skip the shuffling, I will timestamp that in the description. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. Spirit, messages, universe. A general message for the collective. What they need to know right now. A general message for the collective. What they need to know right now. Please give me a message for the collective. What they need to know right now. Oops, it's too much. Please give one by one, please. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good, actually. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, so from this spread, I see that whenever you're watching this, yeah, I'm watching. Whenever you're watching this is what's been happening in your life, and this is what's going to happen in your life in the near future. You have been in situation, you have been in situations where the things were not equally given and taken. Like there was no balance in give and take in those situations, and so you did not, maybe you were the one who was giving more in certain situations. Maybe you're a very empathetic person. You give a lot, you're a giver, so maybe people took from you without giving back. This was the past energy of yours, so this had to end. The situation had to end, so the judgment was called upon this situation. The universe, divine, stepped in, and it made you go through certain healing processes so that you will not have you will have an equal give and take situations in future, because well, you cannot give to situations where you're not getting anything, because it's like a reserve. When you run out of, when you're a giver, and when you give and you don't receive anything, you run out of things to give, right? You not run out of either love, money, care, in anything. So you cannot do that, so you have to fill your own cups. I think you've been through a certain with this Hierophant, with this Hanged Man, actually. Okay, it should be like this. With this Hanged Man, I feel like you were in a situation where you went within, and with this Hierophant, Temperance, and Hanged Man, three of these cards, what I feel like is you had to go within. You had to have a stagnant period. My God, I can't talk. I'm so sorry for that. Stagnant period in your life, and you had to understand how to give to yourself, equally balance within yourself the energy. You cannot just pour out to anybody else's cup without filling your own cup. You understood this finally, and you came into this realization, and then only you came into this Hierophant situation. Like you see everything, you became a very wise person. You gain more knowledge in every situation that maybe you were in, maybe the people that were surrounding you, anything. You saw very clearly what their motives were and how you were acting in those situations and how they were contributing to the situation. And you saw that yes, this is not good, this is not great, like I'm not doing myself any justice by giving so much or participating in these situations that are not benefiting me. So you hanged man, like you hanged yourself, you, in order to take a different perspective of the situations and your life, and from that you could balance your life. You know, you could pour into your own cup, you could balance. The divine, definitely the divine was very much helping you in this process, probably protecting you, guiding you, very much protecting you with these angel wings, I feel. And your third eye was very much open. I can't remember this. You yeah, you opened your third eye, you saw things clearly. The things that was not visible to your naked eye, you saw things right through the illusions. That's what I feel like. And you came into this conclusion that yeah, you saw the things very clearly, and you came into this very loyal, committed situation to yourself. Actually, you became very loyal and committed to yourself. So you understood that maybe you were looking for somebody who was loyal and committed in the past, but you understood that first of all, I have to be loyal and committed to myself in order to be this, you know, in order to find that person, because what you are is what you attract. So you finally understood that. You finally became that person you were looking for, basically. Yeah, that's what I feel from this first row. It's the journey you have been through up to now, from this Six of Pentacles to this Judgment, Hangman, Temperance, and Hierophant. That's the journey you've been through. You have already been through this. That's what I feel like. You've already been through this journey. You've already healed your past trauma, whatever the trauma you had. You have already healed them. You have already come out as a very wise person, a person who has a lot of self-love and self-care, the person who knows when to stop giving and not to give and to give, the person who understands the balance of life, the balance of the give and take. And with this Page of Wands here, I feel like now you're looking forward to for a new beginning. You're looking here, you're ready. With this wand, it shows passion. Maybe you're passionate about your, maybe after going through all this, you feel like you're a new person and you're passionate about your life again. Maybe before you were very dull, boring, and you did not have any perspective, you did not have any plans for the future, or you were just rolling with the punches. But now you have a newborn passion for your life. You know, you have very optimistic outlook on the life. You're like looking forward. What am I gonna do? Wow, I have new all this new self, new me. So what am I gonna do? The new projects to start, the new relationships. You have let go of all the past relationships, by the way. By the time you go through this healing and do all these things, you have let go of all the people from your past, because you understood that they were not serving you and they were not doing anything to serve your highest good. So you let go of all those people. And now you're ready to have a new relationship as well. But now you're not coming from a place of a codependency or insecurity, because maybe before you were in such place where you were very codependent or very insecure with the people you were with. But you're not coming out like that anymore, because you've healed yourself. Now you're not codependent. Now you understand that this is not like what I need. No, this is not what I want. No, what do you call that? It's not a necessity, like a person, a relationship. You're not very codependent. Even if you find a person, you're not like if you find somebody, okay, for an example, if you find somebody new, and if you see the red flags, if you see that that person is not serving your highest good, now immediately you can let go of that person. Maybe whereas before you could not let go of these people, even if you saw the red flags, you were a little hesitant to let go of these people because you were very codependent on those people. Maybe you were insecure to be alone. There are some people who are insecure to be alone, so maybe you were one of those people. So you could not let them go, even though you knew that they are not serving you for your highest good. You could not let them go. So now it has totally changed after going through all this healing process. It has totally changed. Now you are this Page of Wands. You know that, okay, I have a lot of what do you call the opportunities. I have a lot of things to explore in my life now. It's a new life. It's kind of a new life. It's a rebirth. To be honest, it's a rebirth for you. It's a new life for you. Now you're very enthusiastic to explore this life. And yeah, you're ready for that. The moment you feel you're in this energy, I don't know in which stage you are in this spread, but the moment you come to this energy and you know that, okay, I'm a very independent person, I'm not codependent, I'm not heavily depending on other people. I have a passion, I'm driving towards my passion. When you start new projects, maybe you have a soul purpose. I'm so sorry. Maybe you have a soul purpose, and maybe you start working towards your soul purpose, soul mission. That's the moment when you start taking actions towards that. That's the moment when this person is going to come in. Knight of Swords and the Emperor. Yeah, this person, the Emperor person, is going to come in very quick, fast. Knight of Swords is a very fast movement energy. And Emperor is a person like a bossy person. Like he has everything, you know. Emperor consists of all 4 kings. So he has all the 4 kings energies. This is an awesome person. Maybe this is the type of person you are manifesting into your life. So whatever the type of person you are manifesting, that's the type of person you are getting. I can 100% say that this is not a past person, because after seeing all this, I can 100% say that this is not a past person. So I'm so sorry if you are waiting to have a past person back into your life. This is a very brand new person in your life, because this person is matching. I'm surprised that you didn't get Empress energy, because I feel like you're in this Empress energy after going through all this. But the Hierophant and the Temperance, yeah, you're in this Empress energy, and the matching partner would be you're gonna get the energetic match for you, the perfect match for you, the Knight of Swords, the Emperor. And with this Knight of Swords, this person is gonna rush into your life the moment you step into this energy of Page of Wands. The moment you're ready to go towards your life mission, go towards your new future, newfound passion, the moment you decide to explore that, that's when this person is going to come in. If you were heavily thinking about having somebody new in your life, starting a new relationship, of course you must have been single for so long, as I believe, because in order to go through this healing process, you must have been very isolated. You must have not dealt even with your friends. I believe you must have not socialized very much. So after all this period, I think you're going to get your perfect counterpart. But the thing is, you have to step into this energy first. I don't know where you are at. Maybe you already have this person in your life, but the moment you step into this energy, this person is going to come in very fast, and you're going to have a very new beginning. And 10 of Pentacles, I do not make this up, it's awesome. Very passionate new beginning with this Emperor person. Ace of Wands is actually full of passion. This person could be a rich person, very well-off person with the 10 of Pentacles, or you two will have abundance together like a power couple. You might go towards this 10 of Pentacles together, or this person is very well-off. But either way, you're going to have a very beautiful new beginning with this person, a brand new beginning in your life. You saw me shuffling on camera, so I did not make this up. This is a very beautiful spread for whomever chose this part, clicked on this video. It's gorgeous, it's awesome. It's a new beginning. Ace of Wands, yeah. It's basically like wish fulfillment. You're gonna get everything. Yeah, because you and I believe you totally deserve it, because after all the things you've been through, after all the healing you've been through, you really do deserve this. And the divine is always helping you. I must say, divine is, you're gonna have a lot of abundance. Whatever the abundance you were meant to have, you were stuck not getting, you're gonna get all the abundance, all the good, all the new beginnings, all the projects that you're gonna start. If you were stuck in a career path, you're gonna have a new career path. If you don't like the present career you are in, you're gonna have a total new career path which aligns with your soul purpose, soul mission, and you're gonna have abundance through that. Let me get angel answers for you now. I have already pre-shuffled these cards, so I'm gonna get a message. Please give me a message. Please give me a general message for the collective. Oh, it's too much. Give me another message. Another one more, please, for the collective. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we have in the near future, ask your angels, and if you believe. Yeah, even from this, what I believe is, what I feel like is, you're gonna get this in the near future. Now you have already done your healing work, you know. Now you have already gone through this first row. So now all you have to do is believe that you are healed enough, that you are good enough to have that relationship, that person you were manifesting your whole life, you know. So if you believe you are good enough and you can have this, whatever the career success you want, the person you want, the relationship you want, the life you want, basically, if you believe you can have it, you're gonna get it in the near future. And your angels must be helping you. As I said throughout this reading, your angels are really guiding you and helping you in this process in your life. You're a really blessed person. If you are listening to this, you're a really blessed person. You are protected and divinely guided. And talk to your angels, ask your angels. If you have any clarity, if you want any clarity, if you have any questions, just talk to your angels. Talking to your angels means not talking alone. Talking to your angels means listening to your intuition. I mean, of course you must be talking, but you listen to your intuition, you go within. If you can meditate, that's a real helpful thing to do. But in general, listen, because your third eye is open. As I said, here your third eye is very open now. You see things very clearly now. Your intuition is very heightened at this point. So listen to your intuition very well. That's your guidance from the divine. You must be seeing 333, 222, 111, 444 angel numbers. You must be seeing a lot of synchronicities. Your angels are giving you a lot of messages and guiding you throughout those numbers and the messages you get, the synchronicities you get. They might come through the videos you see, you know, the movies, songs, videos. You might accidentally click on something that you would never watch, and you might have a great message in that, you know, maybe a warning, a message. So all you have to do is listen to your intuition. Meditate if you can. I believe you're a very spiritual person. If you're watching this, I feel like you're a spiritual person. That's why you're with a lot of angel help, angel guidance is there for you. Because otherwise, if you're not a spiritual good person, the angels won't be protecting and guiding you this much. I feel like this spread is very protected and guided. So ask your angels, talk to your angels. They're always there with you. If you have any doubt, if you don't know what to do, ask your angels. Now let's get romance angels for your love life since the Emperor. Please tell me about this Emperor, Archangel Michael. this Emperor. Oh, please tell me about the Emperor. Please give me 2 more, please, for the Emperor who's coming into this person's life. My collective, this pile, who's coming towards them. Who is coming towards them in love in the near future? The Emperor. Oh, okay. Fine. That's nice. That's awesome. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Soulmate. Okay. And engagement. I don't think I have anything to say here, to be honest. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Yeah, I was taking that for this Emperor. As you heard, I was asking to give me clarity on the Emperor. So the person who is coming towards you, yes, he's the one. He's your soulmate. Maybe he's coming from past life. I believe, as I said, you have not met this person yet, or at least you have not been in a real relationship with this person or any situationship with this person. I hardly believe you know this person even. So that person is coming in and he is your soulmate, and you might feel very connected and very familiar when you meet this person, because he is your soulmate. He's coming from a past life. You must be having a very strong past life connection with this person. Yes, your romantic feelings are worth exploring, real and worth exploring. Yeah, don't hesitate. I don't know what type of a relationship you've been in, you've been through in your not past life, in your past, but don't hesitate. Don't bring in your insecurities, your trust issues to this person, to this connection, because this is the real deal. That's what I feel, because the engagement is right next to that. You saw I was shuffling and it just fell right through. Your love life is ascending to a bigger level of commitment. This literal meaning of this is engagement. If you are already in this relationship, if you have already met this person and you are with this person, you could get engaged to this person. But if you have not met this person yet, you're gonna meet this person and you're gonna come into a solid connection with this person, a relationship, a love connection with this person. And probably, as I feel, you'll get along very quickly, and you might lead to an engagement with this person very soon. Within a very few months of meeting this person, you might get into a serious commitment with this person. That's what I feel from this engagement. Yeah. As I said, you're gonna have everything with this person. You're gonna have the 10 of Pentacles with this person. This person is going to be very loyal. I'm pretty sure everybody wants a loyal person. If you're not a freak, you normally want a loyal person. So this person is going to be very loyal. I'm so sorry if I have offended anybody, but normally you need a loyal person, you know, when you're looking for love and everything. After going through all this healing, you do not want a good person to be in a real relationship with. So you're gonna have a real good person. He's gonna be an overall good person for you. Not in one thing, not in money, not in education, not in sex, not in love, not in commitment, not in loyalty, but he's gonna be overall good in everything, not one thing, everything. This is beautiful. Soulmate, romantic feelings, engagement. Yeah, it's a good clarification for the Emperor. Yeah, he's your soulmate. Let me get a Archangel Oracle message for you. As I said, I've pre-shuffled these cards. Please, Archangel, please give me a message for this spread. A gentle message, a guidance message for this people. Please give me a guidance message for this collective. Thank you so much. Okay. Beloved one, Archangel Chamuel, I'm helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. Beautiful. What did I just say? Oh my God. Yeah, you, for some reason in your life, at this point, your soulmate relationship is playing a main role. I don't know. Yeah, you have other things. It's you should move forward and pursue your life. You should not wait for the person. Now, when I say this, you should not let go of everything and forget everything and just wait for your right person to come into your life. No, as you move forward in your life, as you do the day-to-day things, as you move forward in your path, your angels are really helping you to have this person, because maybe this person is meant to help you with your journey, I guess. So your angels are really working on this soulmate relationship, bringing in this soulmate to your life if you have not already met him, or making you work with him, like ascending this to the higher level of commitment if he is already in your life. Prioritize. Archangel Metatron, focus on your highest priorities. I will help you get organized and motivated. Exactly what I just said. I didn't even read that before. Prioritize. Focus on your highest priorities at this moment. Do not wait for this person to come along. Do not do those things. You just don't waste your time. Focus on your priorities. Prioritize yourself. If you have little things, it could be little things, like you don't have to do very big things. If you, let's say you wake up in the morning like 11 a.m. in the morning, start waking up at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. You know, you'll feel much better. Start waking up at 7 o'clock, work out, prepare your food, do your chores, whatever you do. You know, day-to-day life, change, make little small changes in your life, you know. Not the big ones. You don't have to go for the biggest changes all of a sudden, you know. You just can make small steps to create a small change. Little by little you can make a huge change in your life. That's how you do the change. Because if you are a person who, you know, you do certain things in certain ways, you have been certain things your whole life, start changing those habits, start changing those things. Pay attention to the things you do. Pay attention to whatever the work you're doing. At that moment, live in that moment. That is the living in the moment. That could really help you. Live in the moment. Don't think about the past. Don't think about the future. Just live in the moment and do that work with whole heart. All is well. Archangel Jeremiel. Everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to, with hidden blessings you will soon understand. Yeah, everything is happening as it is meant to. So you have hidden blessings, as I said. You're about to get your abundance. You're gonna have all the abundance that you felt like you deserve and it was not coming to you. You're gonna have that abundance in your life. I'll read it once more. Everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. As it's supposed to, with hidden blessings, you'll soon understand. Yeah, that's good. Let's go. This is universal messages. Please give me universal messages for the collective. Please give me universal message. Oops. Okay, I got 4. I keep it all. I will keep that all. Normally I take 3, but I'll keep it. When I lean towards love, I am led. Exactly. No matter what you do it with love. The universe works fast when I'm having fun. That's what I said. Focus on yourself, your work. Have fun. Go out. Do whatever you're called to do. Don't wait. Don't wait for a certain outcome. Don't wait for a person. You don't wait for things to happen. Just make things happen. Do things. Change your life. Little by little. Step by step. I am the loving energy of the universe. Exactly. This talks about a lot of love. I think you should be in a loving energy. You might be focusing on love at this moment very much. That's why all the things are talking about love actually. I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. Another card of love. Yeah, exactly. So it's basically telling you to trust the divine, have love, don't have hatred in your heart, have love, be guided by love, be driven by love. I believe you have already done the work. I'm not saying you can never be done with the work. You always evolve, you always learn things, you always spiritually upgrade yourself, but for the time being you have done most of the healing. 90% of the healing you have done. So now it's time for you to receive your rewards. So you don't have to, you can actually, you don't have to worry about anything. You just, all you want to do is, I believe you have practiced great deal of self-love in your pile, so in this spread. So I believe all you have to do is continue that good work you've been doing. Put in the effort, put in more effort to work towards your goals. I don't know what your goals are, it could be different for anybody. So work towards your goals and just have fun, dance, sing, play, I don't know. If you play an instrument, play an instrument, sing, go out with friends, have fun. Whatever you do for fun, just do it. This is a nice spread. This is nice. Overall, this message is really good because I see a lot of healed people here. Peoples, I'm sorry. I see a lot of healed people. Most of the people who find this spread will be healed. They have done the healing work. Either they have already gone through even halfway of this role. They have already met the emperor, or most of them are going to meet the emperor very soon. They're working towards their stability and their guided path, spiritual path, soul mission. Yeah, this is really good. And good luck, all the best in doing your work, and all the best on the achievements you have had. You have achieved a lot by healing yourself, letting go of the things that are not serving you, breaking that codependency tie with people. I believe you have broken generational curses. I don't like to call it curses, but generational patterns, you know, the negative patterns that you have had, your parents have had, your grandparents must have had from your generations, you know, whatever the generational patterns that was negatively influencing their lives, your life as well. You have already broken those things. You have broken out of those things. And you're a brand new person, to be honest. You're coming out as a very brand new person. I won't be surprised if the people around you cannot recognize you after this. Your parents, your friends, your colleagues, whomever that's close to you, close enough to see your change, they will see a great deal of change in you after this. You'll be glowing, to be honest. You'll glow up. Yeah, because when you heal yourself, when you become when you change from inside, that affects to your outside appearance. So you'll go through a glow up. Maybe you have already glown up and you're getting a lot of attention from people. Maybe you have a lot of suitors. I did not find it here, to be honest, but I'm only seeing that because you're focused on only having one person. You must be having a lot of suitors at this moment, because since you have gone through this process, and when you go through that process, when you heal, you're a light worker, you're a light person, so you attract a lot of people to you. You attract a lot of people. You become very attractive. You glow up, you glow within and out both, so you become very attractive. It's natural for you to have a lot of admirers at this moment, but I see specifically that you are very focused on manifesting this specific person into your life. You have a model in your life, like you have a model, you have a person in your mind that this is the type of person I want to end up with, and you're very serious about it. You need commitment. You don't want any fling at this moment. You're not looking for a fling, so you are very specific on the person you want, and that is why I only got the Emperor without getting any Seven of Cups or any choices, like a lot of knights or kings. That's why I only got the Knight of Swords. Is like that person is coming towards you. That's the indicator of that person coming towards you, to be honest. I don't see that as another person. That person is coming towards you very fast because you have already done the work and you are manifesting this person consciously or unconsciously. You are manifesting this person very much, one person to come into your life. So that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.